Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things. So this is a kind of blog. Why? Because I want to show you what we are doing in the field. As you already know that I belong from farmer family. My parents, they are farmer. They do farming work. That is why I also do farming work along with them. And I don't do every single day, but I do, season wise. Just like now, paddy is being planted. I mean, paddy season is going on. So I will help my parents to plant the paddy. And before that, I would say harvesting season was going on, wheat harvesting. So I helped my parents over there also. So I don't work very hard, I would say, every single day. I am not very hard working, I would say, but I come my farm whenever a lot of work is there. So let me share with you what we are doing. As you can see, my sister-in-law, she is uprooting paddy plant, and actually I was also doing, I have done this work. And yeah, as you can see, water is dropping from this plant because it rained very heavily. And here I'm sitting, I'm not sitting very comfortably. Why? Because as you can see behind me, water is there everywhere, right? So even we have kept wood, and on wood we are sitting so that we can do this work. We can uproot paddy plant, and afterwards we'll go at our home, we'll take bath, and then do our work, house chores and all. So yeah, this is what. And my friend, I really like doing this kind of work, but not every single day. I don't want to be professional, what we say that farmer. No, I just want to work for the time being. For some time I want to work in field. And you know what happened when I work in field? I get best idea, plus I get real experience that how my parents they suffer while working in the field. They enjoy. On the other hand, sometimes they suffer also. My friend, nowadays doing farming work has become really unpredictable. You can't say that you will get benefit always. Sometime what happens when we need rainfall, at the time there would be no rainfall. Sometime if we don't need rainfall, it rains very heavily. And that is why we can't say that farmer they can always grow good things. No, a lot of adversity they are facing most of the time, but no, this is the meaning of life. All the way is not going to be very easy. Whatever we are doing, challenges are there. Farmer they are suffering, and if we start doing something over there also, we are going to face a lot of hurdle, right? Just like learning English. When we learn English, we face a lot of challenges, right? And here also, farmer they are doing farming work, they also face a lot of adversity, they face a lot of challenges. However, when they see their grown up crop, that time they feel thrilled. Same way, we are facing a lot of challenges while learning this language, but once we start speaking this language very fluently, we will be thrilled, right? So yeah, as you can see, my sister-in-law, she is uprooting, and I was also doing the same work, but I thought that let's try to record a video so that I can show my friends that how this work is done. Yeah, as you can see, so we can uproot this paddy plant without water also, and it becomes very easy when water is available in the field. So we can easily uproot it, plus we can wash the bottom of this paddy plant. Yeah, so this is what today we are uprooting. Tomorrow we will start planting the paddy, and you won't believe how much I like this work. I really love planting paddy, but not a lot, but I like doing. I can't say how much, but yeah, I like doing. And my friend, when this rainy season comes, if someone says to me that Anita, don't do this kind of work, you won't believe how I will feel. I will feel that something is missing in my life, because since my childhood, I have been doing this kind of activity with my parents, uprooting paddy plant and planting and doing farming work, helping them. This kind of work I have done since my childhood, or I have been doing since my childhood. So without doing now, if someone says all of a sudden change your life and just sit one place and let your family member do and you should not do, I would say that I won't listen them, because I just want to help my parents. Plus, I want to enjoy the weather and I want to be grounded. I want to, uh, you know, feel that I'm from farmer family. My friend, you won't believe when I come in my field, I really get best idea. So, if you are a content creator, if you are a businessman, or anything you do, I would say that sometime try to detox your mind. Don't always feed it, give space to it so that it can get some creativity idea or it can get some good idea. Just like if you are a content creator, if you keep scrolling mobile, what about your idea? When will you get good idea that what I should create? That is why just keep your mobile or camera aside and then roam in the garden or go in the field or do some other work which is different from your professional work, and then you will feel that you will get best idea. So whenever I come at my farm, I get good idea and I feel rejuvenated. I feel just like I have got new energy, and I can't even explain in my word that how I feel. So my friend, this is evening time. Let me show you how sun is looking. I don't know whether you people would be able to see or not. Sun is about to set. This is evening time and here we are uprooting paddy. My sister-in-law, she is uprooting alone. I think that I need to, help. Actually, I was not sitting when I came here, but I'm a content creator. So sometime when I feel that I should capture the good moment, the time I take my mobile out and I start creating, and that's what I did it. I thought let's try to use this time, because tomorrow it may not rain, or for some reason if I start planting, then how would I show you that how to uproot this paddy plant? So after uprooting, we make this kind of bundle, and while planting we untie this bundle and start uprooting. So sorry, start planting. Tomorrow I will show you that how we plant paddy. So yeah, as you can see, last night it rained very heavily in my area, and that is why all farmers, they have started this work, paddy related work, you know. So yeah, as you can see, everywhere greenery. Yeah, people, they are busy in their work, and here I'm busy in making my video. I don't want to be busy because I want to do this work also. After finishing this work, then I'll go my home, and tomorrow once again morning time will come and finish planting paddy work. So this is what I really like doing, this kind of activity. As you can see, some strangers, they are watching me. I didn't watch that what is their reaction in a mobile camera. I'm able to see little bit. I don't want to think about them a lot because I'm busy in creating my video. After creating, then I will think. My friend, most of the time we think about what other will think. You won't believe, last year there was the same season, but I was not confident enough. So whenever I would see passerby going, here and there, that time I used to hide my mobile camera. But this time I'm confident enough. I don't want to hide my camera and all. I want to just record. But I really hesitate in front of strangers. But what can I say? Today I'm busy in making video. That's why I didn't notice. You might be also feeling shy and hesitant in front of strangers, right? If they would be watching you while recording, while do you people want to come and work? I think it is very difficult for you people, so let it be. Just whenever you get the time, try to spend time in nature, in fields, in garden, in wood, wherever you want.